full of potholes, and a lot of difficult accessibility was a big problem. So that's done. We even get buses coming in now.
We'll just go through out. That's what they keep getting. There's so many jobs. You have to prioritize.
For that particular project. So there's so many villages. And then there's the schools on top. So,
Health centers.
well, we should not stop calling them schools, it's civic amenities. So anything that's a church. So we've taken over that entire section of the road now. Yeah, we maintain it.
So the approach to that crossing needs some more.
Yeah, that's a constant thing. We get a storm and it washes
Probably
it
have to
out.
extend
Well, that's in the renewal programme. Okay, so that's one of the biggest problems we've got right now. That red material is a killer for us. And so what we're trying to do is sheet over that with decent material like this. Two things you'd have seen on that road is that red material, which is the old rubbish that